Okay, hey guys, I've been game to game in Roblox. So, yeah. This is like a long time before I started playing Roblox. And then I started on Shoveling Simulator. I've been everywhere. Well, a lot of places. So, now, let us try, what do y'all think I should do? There's a new gun in Phantom Forces. Let's do this. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, guys, we are playing, and, let's equip my, Thompson. And, they're bound to kill 4 enemies. Wave 1, which sucks. It sucks. I could have infected and made it faster. But, wow. So I'm the best person on the server. Cool. This is a rapid fire? What? Ah! Turn down the volume. Brother Tapjoy.
No. You don't have to refer to me as my screen name when I am not playing.
Yes I do. You know what Mom is like. She, doesn't like us. She doesn't even like me using my real name. So, that's why I'm David Me Boy. Instead of just my name.
Why did you not win?
Okay. That's cleared. Okay, does no one have a Thompson here? Hello? Does anyone here? You look like you have one, eh? No? No, that's just an M1 Garand. Ugh, that sucks. You know what, I hit that. Die. Please die. I'm level 100. Wow. Nice. When do I unlock this life? 130. I need to equip the leaf sword.
Ah, I see.
And, let's see, the next gun, how much do it cost? It's a blaster, okay, and then the machine gun, I'm guessing, costs 10,000. Okay, sorry guys, I haven't been helping, let's see, can we get to 2,000 kills in this episode? If we can, leave a like and please subscribe. So, yeah. This is basically what I've been doing. Blowing up heads with a gun. Dang, that wood on that gun is smooth. What is wrong with you? I was playing. Okay. Blow up head, please. I want to blow up some heads. I want to see some beheaded corpses here. I mean, y'all are already dead, so how effective is that? Let's. Oh no. Oh dear. I have 2 Thompsons. Okay. That wood right there is smooth. Super smooth. To turn up the volume, I need to turn the audio up. Settings. No. Yeah, turn it down a lot. I'm gonna reinfect and get killed. Kill me, please, with your M1 Garand. Yes! Yes! Hoya! I will kill the monsters with this sword. Monsters beware! Hoya! My Thompson will kill you if my sword does not. Ha 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 ha. Bye bye, monsters.
Our mom plays this game for only one reason: the music. And she's got me pretty far on right. Let's listen to what
she says it's fun. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm starting to have my doubts if we can get to 2,000 in this episode. Like and subscribe anyways. Can we get to 1 like? Oh my goodness, that would be so cool. Die. Oh look, headshot. I'm gonna listen to that. Okay, Tapjoy's my bro. Tim, turn up the volume. Okay, Tapjoy's is Tim. Tim and can I say your middle name and last name?
No. Oh.
That's what I thought. You like some privacy.
Yeah, that would be giving away its full name.
I know, but he already lets me give away his first name out of all 3. That's 1 out of 3.
You want to tell a bunch of strangers your
Kids, do not give away your name on YouTube. That is bad, very bad. Because then people can Google you up and then boom, boom, boom. You're getting a credit card. Actually, that's happened to my brother, except... Okay, not many people know how to get on that roof. Okay, this is cool. Wow. Sniper. Okay. Hello, there's a problem with this. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Sorry about this.
They just now.
Woo! 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 houses! Oh yeah, happy Valentine's Day, yeah. Y'all need to know, it's Valentine's Day here in North America. It's Valentine's Day. I'm sure it's not Europe yet in Germany. Actually, look at the time. Look at the time. Yeah, it's probably not the same day in Germany. Okay, this is good. No keys. Sadly. Oh, Scout is perfect for this. Capturing the hill is my specialty. I saw.
Scout, die.
Diamond, die! He's dead. Took one round of an MPK5. That's 30 bullets to the face! Let's hope I am on, ghosts.
Ding, 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 ding. How do you change the color?
Okay, that dude was on my team! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how could I miss? How did I miss? Woo! Run everyone, it's a frag. It's a fraggin' frag. Frag, fraggin' frag. I like being killed by friendly things. It's a joke. BFG 50. There are 50 big friendly giants. Ah! Baseball bat! What? Oh, dude. Okay, let's see. Glock 18. I want a Glock 18. Okay, Glock 17. Do I have a skin? No. I sold. Now, the Glock 18 is rank 17. What rank am I? What rank? 10! 7 more ranks or 600 more SPR. SPR. No! 1858 new army. Okay.
Yay! That's the newest gun. I'm pretty sure.
No.
Hey, I opened a Christmas cave.
Okay, let's see. Weapon loadout. Okay, that looks kind of cool.
Tech 9.
Shotgun.
Tiny shotgun.
Okay, yeah,
I
let's...
have the Remington 870.
What is this that I have in my hand? Yeah, secondary, okay.
You were defeated.
Oh, I'm in Phantoms? Dang it. Okay, like and subscribe. I am glad you watched. If you watched the whole thing through, like and subscribe. I am happy about you liking and subscribing. Also subscribe to Tim